Unlucky, just tap forward in the tackle. It's a scrum to red. Yeah, it's red ball because that just went forward out the hands in the tackle. Bind! Set!
Squeeze! Go, Brad! Go, hold on! Corey! Right, get him there! Finish it! Break down the side! Lost!
Advantage over from that. Leave it blue. No, no. Yeah, you could have left that, but you didn't.
Help him. Get there, Denny. Work.
Off his foot. Try scored.